A 4% upward move in Litecoin is indicated by coin data flow by June 26. But before we go deeper, let's check what's unfolding right now. As we speak, Litecoin has gone down 0.6% and is sitting around $41.86. Now, let's hear today's analyst opinions. According to coin data flow, the price could increase to $43.54 by tomorrow, which is about 4% above the current level. Coin price forecast indicates Litecoin might approach $42.23, representing a gain of 0.9%. CoinLore notes it might move lower toward $41.15, roughly 1.7% down. Another prediction by Digital Coin Price expects Litecoin may sink to $40.69, roughly 2.8% below now. To finish, 30 rates highlights a dip to $40.14 by tomorrow, 4.1% lower. This is the most profitable outcome. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. After reviewing the predictions, let's examine the numbers. Based on the range of expectations presented, the price could be anywhere between a drop of 4.1% and a gain of 4%, depending on the analyst. Considering all forecasts, 30 rates is at the top with 4.1% gain in value by June 26. So it turns out you could earn between $9 and $41 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability perspective, coin price forecast has the most dependable forecast, showing a 86.2% chance of success. Pulling together the 5 forecasts, I've come up with a consensus scenario. The consensus baseline sets Litecoin close to $41.55 with no major move. Here's what the breakdown shows. The consensus scenario signals a 0.7% decrease in price. Put another way, your capital could also increase by around 0.7%. On a 1,000 position, this might represent $7 gained. So the chance of the consensus forecast on Litecoin playing out stands close to 87.3%. On to the next, let's go through how analysts anticipate the price will evolve over the 3 days. Coin data flow sees an upward move ahead. Likewise, coin price forecast describes the near-term outlook as bullish. The outlook from CoinLore shows the price drifting lower. Digital Coin Price expects Litecoin to hover near its present value, showing very limited change. 30 rates expects the price to slump further. Overall, the consensus view highlights Litecoin staying steady across the 3-day horizon. In conclusion, 60% of the outlooks point to a bearish path for Litecoin. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. As a result, the actual move took the price to $41.19. The outcome showed that only one forecast was right about the direction. The best forecast in terms of precision was made by Crypto Predictions. Time to line things up. The final price showed that just one forecast was inside the candle. Regarding ROI, just one forecast avoided going negative. Let's move to the summary view. See how all forecasts performed overall. Gulf Capital Collector registered $3.68 accuracy and 5% ROI, with a forecast probability of 64.1%. Try to spot the analyst with the most accurate outcome. Now we'll see how the expected returns for tomorrow differ across several coins, including Litecoin. At third spot is Litecoin, while Bonk indicates 1.3% possible gain. In this section, Litecoin appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets is now live on my website. We're done here. Stay subscribed to keep seeing the stats that matter. Catch you tomorrow.